11 Alive is holding the powerful accountable after learning Fulton County is still playing catch up on restaurant health inspections, with some businesses going a full year without one.
A Roswell restaurant owner reached out to 11 Alive, concerned about how this could actually impact your safety when eating out in Metro Atlanta. And tonight, Paulo Sura is working to get those answers for you about what's causing this backlog and when it should be resolved.
It's been 1 year and 1 day since Johnny's Pizza here on West Crossville Road has had a health inspection. Owner Daniel Daly says these unannounced inspections are crucial to keep the industry in check and keep customers healthy.
That's where foodborne illnesses come from. That's where people get sick. That's where salmonella comes from. We get to expose bad operating practices.
We last spoke with Daly 1 year ago after he alerted 11 Alive his restaurant and others in the area had gone 18 months without a county health inspection. 7 days after that story ran, he says the health department showed up to inspect. And now 12 months have passed without another inspection, and he fears he may be waiting just as long.
Lots of businesses write checks every year to the health department, like we're required to, and it seems like they're just putting the money in the pocket and not paying anybody to do their job.
When we searched county records, we found a number of other restaurants around Roswell and Alpharetta that also appear to have not had an inspection in at least 1 year. The Food and Drug Administration states restaurants should be randomly inspected at least once every 6 months to prevent foodborne illnesses. So 11 Alive reached out to the county again today. Fulton County Director of Environmental Health, Dr. Brandon Leftwich, says they try to follow that rule, especially with restaurants receiving a bad inspection score.
If they have a good track record, let's say if they continuously get A's, we can then reduce the amount of inspections that particular restaurant receives and focus our attention on more struggling restaurants that are out there.
He says while the county is still trying to recover from a backlog spurred by short staffing and high turnover during the pandemic, they have come a long way. He says last year his department was down 12 inspectors and since then has been able to hire double that amount.
We were about 47% behind on inspections this time last year. I'm pleased to say now that we're currently at 12% now.
He anticipates that at the rate they've been working this year, they'll be fully caught up in a couple of months. Daly hopes that's the case.
I think it should be done at least every 6 months. If not, nine months or 10 months would be, at least them doing their job.
Paulo Suro, 11 Alive News.